the last couple of years, we have been busting our balls putting together the biggest, most epic encyclopedia of Mighty Car Mods goodness that you have ever seen, introducing the Cars of Mighty Car Mods Ultimate Edition.
Now, why is it ultimate? Well, we've gone back to every single car that we've ever had on the show, and we've got a section that gives you general information about that particular vehicle, a whole bunch of stats, and also our own stories. Some stuff you would have seen on the show, and some stuff that's a bit more behind the scenes about how the car came to be or what happened to it after we were finished with it.
Now, Marty and I wrote up this part. One of our friends did the research on each of the cars to get some stats. One of our other mates laid it out, and a Mighty Car Mods fan, we commissioned him to do the artwork for all of the cars. That job in itself has literally taken years, because this is a 250-page book that weighs almost 2 kilos. So it's absolutely huge, and there's QR codes down there so you can check out videos on each car. I actually can't keep flipping. The reason is, I mean, you can get an idea. The reason I can't keep flipping is, for the first time ever, this book reveals some of our new project cars before they go on YouTube. You're gonna see 4 or 5 vehicles in here that are upcoming YouTube videos that we haven't done yet, but you're gonna see, and they are some freaking epic cars that cars you've never seen on the show, but cars we want to do, and lots of you have been asking about.
Stuff we've been slowly working away on in the background. So we're really proud of this thing. Like, it's big. It's quite a big read actually to get through the whole thing. There's also an index so you can look it up by your favorite manufacturer, and a whole bunch of variety stuff we're really proud of, and some cars that have come and gone quickly, some cars that we've had, you know, now for half a decade or more. And they're all in there, along with some extra bonus stuff like other vehicles that we're interested in that you may not have seen on the show, but stuff that's just a little bit quirky, the kind of stuff you might drive on the weekend, the kind of stuff you might drive elsewhere.
So this section at the back, the black section, which I can't show you, also reveals, for the very first time, our actual dailies. We got secret cars that we actually spend a little bit of time getting around in, and for the first time ever, they are revealed in here, plus our weekend vehicles that no one's ever seen before, because they're just our ones that were on the weekend, plus our toys and fun things, other shenanigans, things that you haven't seen, plus some information about how we make the music, how we keep the data for the show. It's a huge encyclopedia of Mighty Car Mods madness. We do have it's a coffee table.
Coffee table is optional, but it would look nice on a coffee table, I think. And we will send this to you.
That's right. We do have a limited number of these at the moment, so you can click on the thing, or there's a link down in the description. Click on it. If it says they're available, you will be able to secure one. If it says they're sold out, it means they're gone. So have a look. And we will be signing these for you guys, because today's the day that it's coming out. If you put an order in, we will be individually autographing them. So as your order comes in, we go boom, autograph it. We're going to ship it up in a nice big box and get it to your door anywhere in the world. So there it is. That is the Cars of Mighty Car Mods Ultimate Edition.
Ultimate Edition.
Double the size of the original book that we did a number of, and fully revised, fully updated. Really, really proud of it, and really proud to have done that book ourselves. Totally independently.
DIY attitude.
Totally DIY. So thank you very much for supporting the show. Thank you very much for everybody who grabs a book. We really, really hope you like it. It makes an awesome gift. But there's also just, you know, there's 100 and something cars in there, and lots of information about every single car and how we made the videos that you wouldn't have seen before. So link down below, link on the thing. Thank you very much. And now we have to fix this absolute nugget that's sitting here.
Got a couple of big videos coming at you.
Yeah, there's huge videos coming out. So see you soon. Thank you very much. Cars of Mighty Car Mods Ultimate Edition. Get on it.